So as the COVID crisis struck, I remember saying that the crisis actually was an opportunity to shine a light on the best that we could be, and that the way we behaved during the crisis would define us as individuals and also define us as a business. The first priority for us as a business was to look after the safety and well-being of our team, which we did by changing the way that we operated. But we made a very conscious decision to remain open, because we have a number of customers, all who approached us to say they were doing work for NHS and key government services, and it was vital that we kept the same level of quality of service and supply chain to them. So it's been important that we've carried on, and we've managed to do that because we've had a great team of people working here, people working from home. Changed the pattern of work here from the logistics side, but we've managed to keep going. During the crisis, it became very apparent to us that there were a number of people in short-term need of PPE. We were approached by local hospitals, healthcare centres, police services, amongst others. And because we sell PPE and we had stock of PPE, the first thing that we did was we gave most of it away. And we also then tried to put people in contact with our supply chain partners in order that we could assist them to obtain PPE. And we work very closely with customers. I have to say a big thank you to Quantum Mouldings, who together we helped to assist a hospital in the Midlands, both by working together, finding out what they needed, and both of us donating material to them. And then during that process, we realised that actually we needed to do more. So we engaged with our partners, INEOS, we engaged with our bank, NatWest Bank, and we decided to do a promotional video, not for our business, but to get businesses to donate PPE to the National Health Service and others. And we were supported in that by Millstream, who did all the videoing for free. And we had a nationwide campaign that was supported by the National Composites Centre, Composite UK, and actually by even our competitors assisted us in getting that message out, and for that we're extremely grateful. And I think the industry did an amazing job, and we know that so many customers actually donated PPE that they weren't using to health services and others. So that was an amazing effort for the industry. Now we're moving to the next phase. Now we're trying to encourage and make sure that people can return to work safely. So we've developed a whole new product range, which includes biocides, hand sanitizer stations, and other sorts of PPE to assist customers now to get back to work, which is really important for the industry, but really important for the economy, that we've got to get back to work, but we've got to get back to work safely. And so, yeah, I'm very proud to work with partners like Quinn, who have developed some really innovative products, and Bondlock and others. And now we hope to be able to assist businesses to actually have staff working, but working safely, by making sure that there's biocides available that will kill off this COVID-19 virus. And then finally, the next stage for us now is as you can probably hear, we've got a lot of building work ongoing. And that's to extend the office space here, so that as and when people return to work from the normal office environment, it will now be 50% bigger, so that we can cope with social distancing and that people here can work safely and well. The crisis has been painful for all of us, I think, personally and as a company. But the important thing is now that we do the best that we can do. And as we come out of that, we need to be thinking of others. So, you know, one of the things that we're keen to be doing now is to support our charity, Naomi's House. 10% of the profits of our new biocide range will actually go to supporting them, because, you know, some of these charities have really suffered in fundraising through this crisis. And it's important as an organisation that we continue to think of others and be kind.